Yo, what's up everybody, and happy Valentine's for everyone who celebrate. Of course, today we are at the front of the SIAM Discovery and in SIAM District center of Bangkok. For everyone who are coming to Bangkok, most likely you're gonna land in this part of Bangkok in general. Also, this place is very iconic because so many malls of the SIAM brands, one of the huge junction with so much hustle and bustle, and also double line of BTS. As you can see, the trains going there, and there actually. And also on the other side is MBK, where we make a video previously, like 2 weeks ago. So we're gonna explore because, well, when it's Valentine's or any other special occasion, so much is going on around and there's so many people around. And this is big city life. You have to capture this busy life here.
So one thing about Bangkok, even it is hustle and bustle life, traffic, but look at the sky there. It's so blue sky. And you see, as the MRT going, there's a big tall building. And then, traffic jam, this is like what I said, the sky is still blue. So it means the air pollution is not that bad.
Let's get inside the mall. As you can see, so many foreign visitors coming to Bangkok every single day. Every single day, different faces, I could say. And at the front of us is SIAM Discovery. Also, this outside the malls, like a links, there are so many places to sit, and like a little mushroom style thingy to cover your head from the sun, obviously. Let's get inside SIAM Discovery Mall, what we can find. There are at least 3 SIAM malls here. So this is the SIAM Discovery Mall, and this mall is particularly popular because of the clothes section. So many ladies coming here for shopping. And there is also, I think, the home stuff shop, like you can buy furniture and stuff like this one. Also luggage, and like a regular mall with the clothes, but most likely focusing about the clothes on every single floor, and they are like a 3 or 4 floors. We have to find exit from this place and move to another one, as you can see. But also you can buy the suits and stuff like this one, some men's clothes. So everything is here, but like I said, regarding the clothes, but branding clothes. This is nothing regarding the fake market. This is all genuine here.
So if you plan to buy the very nice quality luggage, and yeah, you can go here and check the luggage and look at this one. The light interior design is so cool, like modern.
One of the reasons why you're actually making this video today is that as I'm looking to buy the shoe, I was looking to buy original Nike Air Max, because we are walking so much, like 10,000-15,000 steps. Winny just got her new shoes like 2 months ago before we left Bali. And now suddenly she found shoes, not really what I'm actually looking for, but she said stylish, but I'm not sure if they are comfortable though.
Look at this, so many nice, colorful, very antique design here, as you see.
So much is going on, but so many clothes. Like I said, everything is about the fashion and travel and home stuff. So, well, if you are living here, wanna buy some clothes, definitely this is shop for you.
Just like this one, you see, unique design. Maybe I could buy this one, honey. Let me check the price.
Sayang.
8,000 baht. Oh my God.
We have to have
4 times your visa extension.
And we need to have 80,000 views probably for the clothes like this shopping. Let's go more.
Oh, look
okay.
at this.
What is it? Something cool.
So many nice, beautiful, clothes here, but the price crazy. Okay, let's stroll around. But it's good to stroll around to do window shopping.
Window shopping, something like that. There is some interesting exhibition here, Madame Tussauds or something like that. Winnie is very interesting. So you wanna stand next to her?
Oh, this one is Britney Spears.
No, Madame Tussauds.
Look.
Maybe, I don't know. Is it Britney?
Yes.
Hi, Britney. Yeah.
Closer look.
Yeah, I see. This is the same girl, bro. Okay, let's go. Alright, so that was the one mall called SIAM Discovery, and now we are going to SIAM Center, which this all SIAM brands, SIAM groups, SIAM owners, however, different building, different mall. Let's get inside. There are more shops like where I could potentially buy my Nike shoes and other interesting brands. Let's get inside. Okay, let's get inside. Actually, at the front is JD Sports. I was here before, wanted to buy a shoe. I found some nice Air Maxes, however, no size for me, but different color options they had it. When I'm gonna find this, I'm gonna probably show you how much and if they have my sizes. But in general, Under Armour, JD Sports, Nike. Sayang. Oh, so lovely, love. Okay, let's go. Well, there's Valentine's, so many decorations. Anyways, JD Sports is great for shoes. Like I said, in this particular shop, they don't have it, but I will go later to another one, try it. Oh, and also Vin Diesel is here.
Wait.
I have a picture with the Vin.
Can I take picture? Of course.
Hey, make it. Honey, you're flirting with the Vin on Valentine's. Oh no, Vin Diesel already, you know. Okay, cool. Look at the car behind you, Sayang. Very nice. Okay, thank you. Yeah, same to you. And yeah. Anyway, you can buy the Tudor, and there is some other shops.
Look,
Victoria's
honey,
Secret.
the
Oh, look at
stairs.
the stairs actually. Check this out.
Wow.
How cool is that? This is Bangkok, guys. So nice.
Honey, let's go there. Let's go there, honey, to see the billboard, Hanuman billboard.
Okay, that's cool. That's actually cool. Let's go.
Look at this, so cute.
So
Let's go there.
cute. Okay, let's get inside.
Honey, look at the Hanuman billboard.
Oh,
Super cool.
wow. So the BTS is going up. There will be one. There could be another one if we have a chance. And this is the city center. Busy street, so many billboards and malls in general and fancy buildings. And also this is the one of the coolest billboard here. And it's busy in general. This is Bangkok. Puma shop Bangkok, but more interesting than Puma. No offense to the Puma brand, there is performance at the front. Live performance probably because of the Valentine's, so a special occasion. Looks like a band of something. So cool. Very good. They also have a flagship shop of Adidas and Sephora, but everybody are interested today about the crowd. I think this band is local Bangkok band, at least Thai for sure. So many people are happy. So see, as I mentioned already some time ago in Bangkok or in any other big cities, but Bangkok for some reason is very active. Always is something going on. A lot of options for shopping, a lot of brands, a lot of shops, but also a lot of entertainment where they are totally for free. So if you are here in Bangkok, you shouldn't get bored too easily. Also, they have a flagship Nike shop here. They don't have a size for me in this shop actually for the model what I'm looking, but you can buy original Jordans and Air Maxes here. Prices about 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 bahts. Just interesting facts for everybody who are interested to shop stuff like this one, because I always think is people cannot buy easily the shoes here in Asia, but they have Vans and everything actually is available here. And here we go. This is the epic shot right now. Fontaine and two trains. One here, over there, another one. And this is the metro station, actually BTS station, SIAM, which is the central station actually connecting to different lines of BTS. And this is SIAM Paragon third mall, which is actually the most luxury mall. As you can see with the wall, you can already see and recognize this is luxury one. They are all the Hermes, Louis Vuitton, and Dior and stuff like this one. Also here is very interesting, like a market or something, exhibition. Last time there was only food trucks where we actually filmed. SIAM Center, this is where we are coming from. But now they make a bigger market, temporary, of course. So as you can see, so many people here today, even it's just the Tuesday actually, Tuesday 4 o'clock, but it's already so busy because it's Valentine's Day and people in general like to going to the malls in the big cities like that, especially in Southeast Asia, simply because it's very, very hot. So, well, that's how it is.
Oh, look at the billboard there.
Yeah, billboards are everywhere. Sayang, you're a big fan of the billboards, isn't it? Tell me honest.
Honey, there is no billboards in Bali, but looking at this, you know, my brain is just like brightening like a billboard.
Okay, that's good. Well, let's get inside the last mall, which is SIAM Paragon. The luxury one, but as you can see already at the front, there are very beautiful decorations for the Chinese New Year, which is actually already gone, but they still keep it.
Oh, look at this. Wow, is it a snow time?
I don't know what is it, but it's nice. This is the exhibition of
No
Louvre.
way.
This is the luxury brand again, but it's cool. They're really taking care of the details and decorations regarding the promoting their brands, especially here in Bangkok. That's really cool, actually. Okay, let's explore a little bit. Chanel, Paragon, department store, Dior, Prada, and so on, so on. You can find everything here. Also, a lot of people shopping here as well. Many, actually, of them, they are local people. So not only for the foreigners shops like this. I could say actually those shops are mostly for locals, to be honest. And similar is in Singapore. And yeah, that's how does it look like actually. Cool.
Honey, what is it behind Chanel exhibition?
Seems like something
But
like that
the
is
queue
going
is
on.
so long.
Yeah. Okay. I want to show you one of my favorite part of this mall, which is not the Dior or Louis V shop. It's something cool on the second or third floor. And this is my favorite floor, which is floor 2 in the SIAM Paragon mall, because there's Harley Davidson, Bentley behind me, BMW, Porsche, and so many cars here. This is my favorite floor to show you around. Here you go, Harley Davidson, like I mentioned. Okay, there are Bentleys here. They're saying Bentayga Bentleys, actually only true Continental and Bentayga. There is Jaguar and Land Rover. There are BMWs here. I'm not really actually into BMW, so I'm not gonna show you. I don't like the brand. Super Dry is over there. I also like it for clothes. Okay, let's focus on the Porsche. One day I'm gonna have it Porsche at least. I'm not really dreaming about driving Lamborghini or Ferrari or something like that, but Porsche like this 911 or this Cayenne or some Macan would be great. Really, I think one day I can achieve these goals. Harley Davidson shop, if you would like to have it. BMW, okay, motorbikes of BMWs are nice, but the cars I don't like it. Sorry for BMW owners, just don't like it. Aston Martin here, which is actually super cool. They have a three actually, so cool. Aston Martin, really like the brand. And okay, they have a Mini. Don't like BMW, Mini is okay. However, this is the same company, but it's okay. What is more interesting, they have a Rolls-Royce here. You can buy Rolls-Royce in Bangkok Mall. This is unbelievable. People, I'm not even thinking as I will ever drive a Rolls-Royce. I'm not even think I would really like to drive Rolls-Royce. However, if you would like to buy Ghost, they have it one here. And Breitling is my favorite, one of my favorite brand watches for the watches and motorbikes. They have it. If I would like to have, if I will have more money in my future, I will buy some for the investment. And now what I can afford probably is Lego, maybe. Okay, and there are some also brands here, like for the, I don't know what is this actually, Dream Theater for the good quality speakers and the audio system. Big camera shop, also good shop for buying some electronics camera for YouTubers, vloggers, or photographers. Okay, what they have it here, actually they have some more cars. They have a Peugeot here. French cars, but I'm missing a little bit from them, from the Europe. However, I'm not a big brand. Maserati, I love Maserati brand so far. If I will have enough money, I will have one, and currently David Beckham is the face of the Maserati. So I like David Beckham and I like Maserati cars, very nice ones. And big Sony shop gonna be in the future. And last time I saw some more Teslas here, however Teslas are gone. I'm not sure if Thai people really actually into electric cars. Most likely they will buy Maserati. I saw many on the streets actually. Also, to compare the malls from the other countries what we visited in the past 2 months, Singapore, Malaysia and Bangkok, I could say Singapore together with Bangkok number 1, and number 3 will be Malaysia, or number 2, number 3 actually, because there are 3 options to choose. Well, even Pavilion have to still learn a lot from Singapore and Bangkok malls. And my honest review, no offense at all. And we are going down to the ground floor, and this is like a food court here. Of course, every single mall have to have a food options, and there is no difference. They are just more luxury options for eating. That's the only difference. A little bit more pricey, but also maybe quality a little bit better, I could say. Just simply different cuisines, more into Chinese food as well. And you can find so many actually interesting options here. Gonna show you a little bit. It's actually, huge place, huge mall, government market, Cinnabon, stuff like this one. We're gonna show you a little bit around. This is actually donuts, so this is like a sweet. I think today during the Valentine's Day, these shops have more popular. Oh, they have a craft beer here actually. So for men, if you are bored with going like for strolling around the shops, you can just have a beer here. So like I said, everybody should find something for yourself even inside the mall. And now is the Valentine's, so all the chocolates, donuts and pinkish sweets gonna be on sale. I mean, maybe not on sale, but the high demand. And also bakery here. You can find a beautiful baguette for 90 baht actually, and some croissants and potato corner, little something. A lot of food options. I'm just gonna show you a little bit, like for maybe another 1 minute or two. Why not? Many of you actually said that you're actually not bored with the food options, so we're gonna show you. We are restaurants most likely. There's totally different food court options. We are more into restaurants in general, Burger King, burgers and fancy stalls. So everything is in the different budget, especially to compare to the Terminal 21 or even yesterday's place in Icon SIAM. But SIAM Paragon is definitely the most luxury fancy mall, and also with the most expensive one. I think so. So the food options must be also into the level like this one. Also Taco Bell is at the front. For some reason very popular in Thailand. Always I'm seeing Taco Bell more often than McDonald's, Burger King. So also you can find something like this. But as we mentioned, KFC also here. Just no McDonald's. But as we mentioned that before, Burger King, McDonald's, Starbucks, everything, these brands are actually pretty expensive in Bangkok, in Thailand, to compare to Singapore even. They're actually more expensive than in Singapore for some reason. But the food is here nice in general. So many options, and it's pretty busy like for the Tuesday afternoon. But of course, Valentine's Day, this one is actually shabu beef, so people waiting actually outside. So, many nice places. And also people from all around the world, as you can see actually. Kupkao, Kupla, I don't know what cuisine is this one. And then you have a boost and stuff like this one. Actually, McDonald's selling ice cream here. There is McDonald's, here you go. I already was worried as they don't have it, but they have it actually. They have a nice location. Look at the McDonald's guy. He's holding the hands like a thank you, cup, in Thailand. So nice, Swenson's. And yeah, that's basically SIAM Paragon Mall and the food option. A lot of. I could film here for like a half hour to show you everything. Also here they have a very nice kitchen with rabbit or something like that, Bangkok rabbit bar with the Italian food. I saw beautiful pizzas for 300 baht. Not so bad actually, because I pay more in Hoa Hin last time. Also the cakes and very nice sitting area. But also Winny told me yes, this place looks very nice, Chongyoi Cafe or something like that. So you can find so many beautiful places right now in Bangkok. Look at these decorations and everything. This is just like a beautiful place. I mean, like lovely place for the date or something like that, Siam?
Yes, so nice.
Nice, isn't it?
Yes, very nice.
Very nice. Tongyong Cafe, in case if you would like to come. And so many.
This one, look at the coffee shop. It's very luxury look. The light and everything. And
very nice in
pretty
this.
busy.
Very nice in this. And TWGT from Singapore is also over there. And also here you can find so many nice, very nice cafes everywhere around. This one is a little bit similar to the Icon SIAM already, the decor, but also very cool. Look at this bar, I think, fine restaurant. So cool.
Wow, look at this dining area. Very nice, fancy and luxury.
Yeah, and look at the ceiling here and the level of details. Very nice indeed. Really cool place, even to stroll around. They even have a Häagen-Dazs ice cream, and they have a huge Krispy Kreme here. Huge one, unbelievable, very nice. Sayang, but all the donuts are gone actually already from Krispy Kreme.
Because the Krispy Kreme is already closed. I think that's all our video today, guys, from SIAM Center Bangkok. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!